allow me to complete.
No,
Speaker sir, you sit down there.
Chief Minister,
Speaker sir, I'm on my way.
Scrap it. 8 महिने पेंडिंग दोला.
LOP, त्यांनी LOP.
ही स्क्रॅप कर. ही कित्याक दोला?
Boss रे, तू boss रे.
Will you scrap it? If you are doing new policy, scrap
Speaker
it.
sir.
8 महिने कित्याक दोला? 9 महिन्याक रावले ही.
It is only a draft. It will take even more time. For your information, it will take even more time. We don't want to force. Speaker sir,
I want an assurance
we don't
from the
want to
Honorable
force
Chief
anything
Minister
down the throat of even
that
taxi
the
people.
existing
We want to
taxi
make them.
aggregator policy will be scrapped. It is not in the interest of Goan taxi drivers. Will you scrap the existing whatever you have taken down?
Speaker sir,
New policy secondary.
क्लियर कट सांगता डिजिटल टॅक्सी पॉलिसी फायनलाइज झाली काय अबेन्सान असलेले इट इज ऑटोमॅटिकली स्क्रॅप
Yeah.
Automatically ते जाईना. Speaker sir, ते
नवीन
जाईना.
पॉलिसी आयली नवीन पॉलिसी आयली काय आम्ही जे अबेन्स दवरला ते आम्ही परत
Speaker sir, 8 महिने झाले. आता 8 महिन्यात 9 महिने क्रिएशन जातले. बाल्टीन जातलो. स्पीकर सर आमका
बाल्टीन म्हाका खबर ना,
हे तुम्ही
Speaker sir.
स्क्रॅप करतले काय कितें?
Speaker sir.
ही पॉलिसी तुम्ही स्क्रॅप करतले काय कितें? You have to
सर
scrap.
ताका क्लियर कट सांगता हांव डिजिटल टॅक्सी पॉलिसी फायनलाइज झाली काय तो अबेन्स आसा पळय न्ही दॅट इज एन ऑटोमॅटिकली स्क्रॅप
You decide, Honorable Chief Minister. First of all, you all are not calling us. You
Speaker
please
sir,
give us an assurance.
Clearly सांगला.
What assurance you have given? You have not given any assurance.
I clear केला.
फायनलायझेशन विल कॉल ऑल द स्टेकहोल्डर्स इन्क्लुडिंग द कन्सर्न एमएलएज
Speaker sir,
आपोल ते बरे स्क्रॅप करतलो काय कितें?
Speaker sir,
करतलो म्हणून सांगले आमी कशें सांगप तुका
स्क्रॅप करतलो.
सांगले मरे न्यू पॉलिसी फायनल जाल्या उपरांत ती
ती
स्क्रॅप
policy
करतली
automatic केले मरे.
आनी कितें तर
किती बोलायचं?
हे अशी 3008 application objection व्हायला आहे. हे आज स्क्रॅप कर. Objection on the taxi aggregation 3800
हा विषय सोपया
93%
स्टार क्वेश्चन
objective.
नंबर 1 स्टार क्वेश्चन नंबर 1
अरे लीडर ऑफ पोझिशन ऑपोजिशन म्हणून फक्त उलयत रावप न्हू सगळे विशयाचेर उलयत राव दुसऱ्यान उलोवप ना. स्पीकर सर हांव मुद्दम सांगता मोर देन 1.2 crore passengers travel, local people travel. This is a real fact. हे आमकडे डेटा आसा. That means 15% of our population are using Goa miles. दुसरे तेंकडे वेगळे वेगळे स्कीम आसा ते हांव तुका जाय जाल्यार मागीर सांगता. Then out of 2000 drivers, if their income exceeds 5 lakhs, more than starting from financial year 20, more than 2,000 taxi drivers will now contribute income tax on every trip they perform through Goa Miles platform. This means that income tax will be collected from all active drivers on each trip. This will happen if you get a digital platform, even if it is common here. Only 2 operators are there. What they don't want is to, Speaker sir, tenka naka amka kodlale sarkara.
Speaker sir,
you will be surprised the quantum of business that taxis generate in Goa. They don't want to come because they don't want to be accountable. That is the thing.
Sir,
But luckily, Speaker sir, luckily in the last meeting, I also want to compliment the taxi drivers. They were quite positive.
complete करून दे.
Their
एक question
attitude
चालला, answer complete
must
करून दे.
change ahlo. They want to cooperate with the government. I want to tell them. I have reached out to them. I will reach out further. We are also willing to cooperate. Let this committee, which I have appointed, 5-member committee, let them give the report and finding. And then if they have better suggestions other than the findings of the committee, leader of opposition or leader of position and other people can give, we will incorporate them. What is the problem, Speaker sir?
Speaker sir, मंत्र्यान खूप इतली भाषण दिले. आता specifically what question I had asked, हेजेर उत्तर ना. I had asked you specifically on
What you have asked?
whether the aggregators set these demand patterns, whether algorithms decide the income, will these independent taxi stands survive? हेजे काय उलयला ना. आता
उलयला
Speaker
मरे.
sir, आता हे problem जेन्ना problem start झाले when rule 140 was exempted. Rule 140 when it was exempted, Speaker sir, एक साइडीन आमचे गोंयकार टॅक्सी भावांक तुम्ही मीटर इन्स्टॉल करपाक लायले आणि दुसऱ्याक ऍप बेस जे पडे आहा तांकां मीटर घालपाचे एक बंदी ना. हेजेर एक 2 टायर सिस्टम क्रिएट केलो बेसिकली डिसएडवांटेज टू द गोवन टॅक्सी ऑपरेटर्स. आणि स्पीकर सर जेन्ना मंत्रीलो जेन्ना आन्सर चयल्यार ही सेज दिस इज अ मेजर टू सपोर्ट गोवन टॅक्सी ऑपरेटर्स as by introducing this rule 140. Speaker sir, गृह मंत्री उलयलो about भारत टॅक्सी ऍप. आम्ही प्रयत्न केलो की आणि गृह मंत्री उलयलो कितें काश्मीर ते कन्याकुमारी ही सुरवात जातली भारत टॅक्सी ऍप. Answeran department doesn't know anything. It is unaware about. We asked whether you communicated to them. You have given absolutely nothing. This shows the disconnect. Anna, Speaker sir, त्या मीटिंगेक जेन्ना तेमी ते टॅक्सी भाव उलयले about implementing point to point fare with revised rates as per 2014. हेजेर सरकाराचे टेक कितें? Speaker sir, basic question. आता हे जे तुम्ही ड्राफ्ट गोवा ट्रान्सपोर्ट एग्रीगेटर गाईडलाईन 2025 जेन्ना तुम्ही पब्लिश केलं त्या वेळार तुम्ही ऑब्जेक्शन आणि सपोर्टार तुम्ही लोकां मुखार गायले त्या टायमार स्पीकर सर 3,802 objections that they do not want it and only 290 letters of support. You all put it out in the market. The people of Goa had to decide. The taxi people had to decide. That means 3,802 objections were for, 290 were in support. म्हणजे 93% opposition rate. ये बहुत मोठा opposition. ये opposition सगळे घेऊन ruling. हिंगा कितले आमदार आहे? कितले आमदार उलयले हे aggregator app नाका म्हणून. आता your reply says your guidelines are still in draft. They are still in consideration. Still under examination. 8 महिने झाले स्पीकर सर. पहिले मिटिंगेक मुखेलमंत्री सगळ्यांनी आमकां आपयल्ले. आता 8 म्हयने झाले. 9 म्हयन्यान कितें जाता खबर आहा. आमकां कितें ऑपोजिशन एमएलए बाल्तिमा आपोवपा आहाय. पयर मीटिंग जाली कितें आपयलें ना. आमकां केन्ना आपयलें. Why were we kept away? Why were we not informed about the meeting? Are you all waiting for Baltim after 9 months? Or why were 8 months have happened? 8 months. Speaker sir, why were we not called for that meeting? You all are putting allegations the same way that you all are saying that taxi and mafia zogring ke liye keli. Why were we not called as elected representatives? Why was this type of treatment done to us? Not a single coastal MLA, only ruling MLAs were called. Taxis are not there in other coastal areas. Speaker sir, it is very, very simple. 3,802 objections.
सर अब एकूच आन्सर
No, no,
एक
दोन
मिनिट
मिनिट.
सर आम्ही जी मिटींग कालची घेतली डिजिटल टॅक्सी पॉलिसी हाजे त्यांचे पयली आयकून घेवपाचे हाज्या खातीर हांव एक मिनिट तू कंटिन्यू स्पीकर सर हांव ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर आणि टुरिझम मिनिस्टर फक्त एकटोच म्हणजे बिंग अ स्टेक होल्डराच्या
दुसरे स्टेक होल्डर नाही. दुसरे स्टेक होल्डर नाही.
त्यांना पयली आयकून घेवचे डिजिटल टॅक्सी पॉलिसी पयली फायनलायज करता मागीर त्यांना सांगचे अध्यक्ष आशिल्लो.
Speaker sir, very, very simple.
Speaker sir,
I'm on my feet. Let me
whether
tell
he
you.
wants
Speaker
whether
sir,
he wants
I
a
am on my
digital
feet.
platform or
Please
not,
ask him to sit down.
it
Please
is
ask him to sit down.
his
8
stand
महिने रावले.
that he does not
8
want a
महिने
digital platform.
रावले.
We make that clear.
Invitation दिवपा, बुकार सर, Speaker sir.
digitization जाय काय नाका, digital platform जाय काय नाका,
Sir,
app जाय काय
I
नाका,
am
ते
very, very
answer करू
clear.
yes or no.
एकूच क्वेश्चन
काय
तुम्ही
फुडें सांग.
एकूच क्वेश्चन 20
stand
मिनिट
clear
डिस्कस
करू
करा.
रे. Stand to the clear कर.
Stand clear for me. Inga very simple.
Ask your conscience whether it is good for Goa,
Speaker
whether
sir,
you want a app-based taxi, whether you want this or not.
हिंदी बाब एकूच क्वेश्चन तुम्ही तिथं 22 मिनिट डिस्कस करा.
बाकीच्या भटकायले म्हणून लावपा ना.
Pointed question when 3,802 objections are there when you put it in public domain. Only that is 93% say they do not want this aggregator scrap. Will you? It is your duty. It is your duty to scrap this aggregator guideline. Scrap. Will you scrap this current J42 aggregator? 8 point J42 This.
Speaker sir, I'll answer you. Please sit down. Sit down. Boss mare. Boss mashi boss nahi. Sushek gaya mare mashi. Speaker sir, when this committee has been formed after listening to all the stakeholders, we had this meeting. Once the report comes, I full list काढला सगळे गोंयकार जावन आसा. गोंयचो टॅक्सी पात्रांव स्कीम.
दुसरे
Let me speak.
मुखारानो लोबाना.
Let me speak. अरे Speaker sir, I am quoting this so that he has information. Enough information. ऐकपाकूच रेडी ना. ऐकपाक मनस्थिती आसपा जाय. आम्ही एक कमिटी काढली तांकां सांगले बरे तुमचे जे इतले सगळे तुम्ही उलोवन लास्ट तुम्ही सांगले नाका आणि लास्टात त्यांचेच भितर त्या रुमान झगडी जाली इतले एकामेका ऑलमोस्ट मारपा पावले. लार्ज ग्रुप सेड आमकां ऍप टॅक्सी जाय आणि ल्हान 3-4 जण सारखे एग्रेसिव्ह जावन एकामेका ऑलमोस्ट मारपा गेले. हांवें म्हाज्या दोळ्यांनी पळयलां आमच्या कॉन्फरन्स रुमान हे जालें आणि तेन्ना म्हाका दिसलें थिंगा झगडी जाता एकामेका मारामारी जातली म्हणून लकीली जावं ना. आणि तेन्ना आमी डिसायड केलें एक आमी कमिटी काडया. आमी तांकां 8 दिसांचो टायम दिल्लो आसा.